Hey there, are you facing issues with your LG OLED TV? You've come to the right place. Today we'll delve into how to fix LG OLED TV issues efficiently. LG OLED TVs are renowned for their spectacular picture quality and sleek design, but like any technology, they can encounter problems from time to time. Don't worry though, with a little troubleshooting, you can often resolve many of these issues yourself. In this guide, we'll walk you through some common problems and provide step-by-step solutions to get your LG OLED TV back in top-notch condition. Step 1. Resolve picture quality issues. One common complaint among LG OLED TV users is suboptimal picture quality. If you notice issues with the display, such as image retention or color inaccuracies, start by checking the picture settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV and select picture mode. Experiment with different modes like standard, cinema, or game to see which one improves the quality. Additionally, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and color settings manually to your preference. If the issue persists, run the pixel refresher feature found in the picture settings, which helps maintain optimal display performance. Step 2. Fix sound problems. Sound issues are another concern that LG OLED TV owners might experience. If the audio is not working or seems distorted, first check that the volume on the TV and any external devices are appropriately set. Ensure all cables are securely connected and the TV speakers are selected as the audio output. If you're using external speakers, make sure they're correctly paired or connected. Access the sound settings via the TV menu and run the sound test, which can help pinpoint and resolve any issues. If the test identifies a problem, the on-screen guide will offer solutions. Step 3. Tackle connectivity problems. Connectivity issues can hinder your streaming and smart features. If your LG OLED TV is having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi network, first restart your router and television. Go to the network settings on the TV menu and run the connection test. This will assess your network status and suggest corrective actions if issues are detected. Ensure your TV firmware is up to date, as outdated software can cause connectivity problems. If needed, perform a factory reset by going to General Settings, though keep this as a last resort after backing up necessary data. Step 4. Remedy power problems. If your LG OLED TV won't turn on, this can be troubling. Start by checking the power cable for any physical damage and ensure it's securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. Try using a different power outlet or new power cable if possible. If the TV still doesn't power up, perform a reset by unplugging it for about a minute, then plugging it back in. Occasionally, the remote control may be the culprit. Ensure its batteries are functional or try a different remote if available. Understanding how to fix LG OLED TV issues can save you time and money. While some problems may require professional assistance, many common issues can be resolved with a bit of troubleshooting using the steps outlined above. From optimizing picture and sound quality to resolving connectivity issues and addressing power concerns, there's a solution for most situations you might encounter. Remember, safety first. If you feel uncomfortable handling any technical aspects, consider reaching out to LG's customer support or a qualified technician. By taking careful and informed steps, you'll restore your LG OLED TV's performance and continue enjoying its exceptional quality. Happy viewing.